Life is so beautiful. One day, 1 hour, 1 minute will never come again. Every moment is a gift that won't return, so why waste it on worries and problems? Let go of the stress, the fears, and the overthinking. Instead, focus on the beauty around you, the small joys that make life worth living. Problems will always be there, but happiness is a choice you can make every day. Embrace each second with gratitude, live fully in the present, and remember to find joy in the little things, because they make life extraordinary.